Wildland firefighting is what interested me with the Seas.
For fire crew, I mean, it's an irreplaceable experience. I mean, you have an opportunity to be a wildland firefighter.
I joined the fire crew because I want to push myself physically and give myself a challenge.
It's absolutely worth it to join. Even if you're not going to do fire crew, anything else in it, I view this as a very wonderful program. It's an opportunity for young people to get real life experience.
I've wanted to be a park ranger for quite a while now.
I do enjoy wildland. Most likely I'll be going into structural.
Fire season is starting up. We've already gotten a few calls. Kind of checks you into the mode that, all right, this is what we're going to be doing during the summer.
We're out in the wilderness. We're separating the fire from the fuel. About 6 to 8 foot cut in terms of like the trees and whatnot. And then we do 4 feet of bare mineral.
You're also thinking, you're analyzing the situation, you're reacting to different things. Things go wrong, things go right.
Our growth over the past 3 weeks, it really shows.
It's completely worth it if you have a goal in mind and you know you can get to it through the program of the CCC.
You come, you get with a group of like-minded individuals. It's wonderful. It's wonderful in all of that because you're getting experience that you're not necessarily going to get anywhere else.
Stand up, guys, on your feet.